Hello beautiful people, it's Lydia from the Lydia Edit. Today we're diving into the first part of our series on how to use your Dyson Airwrap properly. This is for all of you who already bought it and want to learn how to use it, or for those of you who want to buy it. We're starting with the basics, how to create perfect bouncy curls, which I always get compliments on. On to the fun part. It's very important to apply a leave-in filler for maximum hair shine and bounciness and to give your hair the necessary acidic pH in favor of the curls. I use this one from Rubber Hair, and I will leave the link in the description box down below. At this point, I also use a heat protectant. I use this oil with a heat protection from Lola Cosmetics, a Brazilian brand. It also smells amazing. Next step is to attach the pre-styling dryer and blast your hair until it's damp to the touch. I would say around 50 to 60% dried. And as you can see, this is how I use it. Please don't try the viral TikTok technique of putting your hair inside it, because it's not how you want to do it. Now switch to the barrel attachment, and remember the arrows of the barrels should point away from your face for those perfect face framing curls. At this point, you also want to apply a curl styling cream, which will give your hair the necessary nutrition and holding power to keep the shape of the curls perfect for a long time. You take a small section of your hair and place it near the barrel and let magic happen. So you want to hold this section of your hair and start from, I would say, 10 centimeters into the points, and then work your way through it. The Dyson Airwrap uses the Coanda effect to attract your hair into the barrel and wrapping it around automatically. Hold your strand in place for about 10 to 15 seconds and then hit it with a blast of cool air to set the curls and release. Voila, a perfect bouncy curl. Now repeat this process throughout the hair, and don't forget to switch the barrel when you move to the other side of your head. Now after you completed your head, wait 5 to 10 minutes until the hair is actually cooled down naturally before you separate the curls, and you shake your hair a little bit for maximum volumes. Then you can finally break the curls, because otherwise you will look like Marie Antoinette, and spray your normal hairspray. In my case, I used the one from Fluido. Yeah, thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for the next part of this series for more ways to use Dyson Airwrap. Until next time, stay beautiful.